Hey everybody, welcome to the endings with the Magic Circle. So we're going to start seated. Make sure your sits bones are on a chair. You want to be just in front of your sits bones. Your feet parallel and your knees hip width. Place the Magic Circle above your knee, not on the knee joint. So right about there. Sit up nice and tall. You're almost going to feel like you're on the very edge of the chair. Cross your arms and the crooks of your elbows. So think about hooking your thumb in that little space in between your elbow. So you have something to push into. Sit up nice and tall. You're going to take a deep breath in as you squeeze the circle. Grow your crown to the ceiling and hold. 2, 3. Now exhale and release. Now when you exhale and release the Magic Circle, but not your abdominals. You want those to stay turned on. Let's try that again. Inhale, grow your spine tall. Exhale the circle and back down. Inhale, grow tall, grow taller. Hold, 2, 3, keep pulling your belly button in. And exhale, release the Magic Circle. Inhale again, grow tall. Feel your glutes engage and hold. And exhale, release. Now you notice every time I inhale, I'm getting a little bit taller. And it's not about the moving of the back or arching forward. It's about pulling your spine apart. Inhale, squeeze, grow tall. Hold, 2, 3, and release. One more time. Keep pushing your thumbs into your crooks of your elbows. Hold, 2, 3, exhale, and release. So for the second version, you're going to put it in between your feet. Place the Magic Circle on the floor. Wrap your feet around it so you have your arches kind of contouring the pad. Your knees are wide. You're still forward of your sits bones. They're on the edge of your chair. Sit up nice and tall. We're going to repeat that same process. Inhale, squeeze the ring if you can. Nothing else changes. Hold, 2, 3, and release. And go again. You'll notice when I inhale, my knees don't move. They stay nice and glued where they are. Exhale, release. Inhale, squeeze the ring. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, release. Couple more times. Grow tall, hold. Exhale, release. Inhale, keep those abs activated. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, release. This is our last one. Inhale, hold, hold, grow tall. Exhale and release. Now let's do the standing series. Grab your Magic Circle and come up to a standing position. We're up in our standing position. Now let's get into our stance. You want to put your heels together in a nice little V. This is your Pilates stance. And your toes are apart. You don't want it so turned out you're like a dancer, but just in a different anatomical position than you're normally used to standing in. This links up your heels, your inner thighs, and you'll be able to activate your glutes. So go ahead and we'll go into position 1, which is low to the thighs. Palms of your hands on the ring. All of your fingers and thumbs locked together. Bend your elbows slightly. Now, if I were to pour water here, it would run straight down your shoulder, down to your elbow, and down to your wrist. That way it's not falling off. Elbows slightly bent, and let's get into position. Lean slightly into the wind. And inhale, squeeze the ring, squeeze your glutes, grow tall. Now when you exhale, release the ring, but keep your abs engaged. Just 3 more times. Inhale, squeeze, grow tall, hold. Exhale, release. And inhale, keep nice and still and hold. Exhale, release. Last time, in, squeeze, hold. One more, and release the ring. Let's pulse it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Position 2, I'm going to turn sideways. It's to the chest. Still stand up nice and tall. Fingers reaching forward. Elbows slightly bent. Lean into the wind. Inhale, squeeze. Grow tall and hold. 2, 3. Exhale, release. Inhale, squeeze your glutes, inner thighs. Exhale, release. Inhale, grow taller, grow taller. Hold, 2, 3, release. Last one. Squeeze and activate everything up, zip everything up. And then we have pulses for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And position 3, diagonal. Like you're looking through it like you're wearing a little halo. Keep your heels together, lean into the wind. Inhale, squeeze, hold, 2, 3. Exhale, release. In. Hold, hold. Exhale, release. Inhale, zip everything up. Exhale, release. One more time, in. Hold, 2, 3. And now we pulse down toward the floor. 8 pulses. And up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We end in the up position. 3, 2, 1. And lower everything down. I'm going to face you again, so we're going to put it on your side like a laundry basket. Find your little hip bone. Put it in the heel of your hand. Still in our Pilates V. The other hand is just going to rest right on your other hip. And now bring that shoulder back. Same thing in that same position. Your shoulder lines up with your elbow. And sit up nice and tall. Lean into the wind. Inhale, squeeze and hold. Exhale, release. Nothing else moves but the ring. Your arms move from the back. And hold, 2, 3. Exhale, release. One more. Hold, 2, 3. Release. Now we got 10 pulses. Keep going. Pulse that ring. We have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo. Other side. Shake it off. Find that hip bone. I like to pull my shoulder back. All my fingers together. Lean into the wind. Hold, 2, 3. Exhale, release. So you're zipping up from the bottom all the way to the top. Hold, 2, 3, and release. Inhale, grow your crown to the ceiling. Exhale, release. Keep the lean into the wind. Exhale, release. Now we have pulses. Keep going. Your arms move from the back. Keep your lean into the wind for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower. We have your last one behind the back. Now this ring may or may not move. I'm not worried about that. So line up your heels with the end, like so. Place it behind you. Your feet position hasn't changed. Look forwards. And if you can hold it out here. But we're going to try this version for today. Inhale, squeeze that ring. Exhale, release. Keep your lean into the wind as you inhale, squeeze, grow taller. Exhale, release. One more. Inhale, squeeze up the ankles, the inner thighs. Exhale, release. Now let's pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep going, keep zipping everything up for 3, 2, and 1. So those were your standing endings. Add them onto your workouts. Find what works for you. You want to find a complementary ending, and in Pilates, we always end standing up. Until your next lesson, keep getting stronger, keep working on the core strength, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.